welcome to Discovering Natural. If this is your first time watching, please click the subscribe button so that we can be members of the same family, right? Today I'm going to do a protective style without weave. This was a requested video from my question in the community page. I asked what videos you wanted to see, and I was gonna give shout out to whoever. A big shout out to, I believe it was Supergirl. Yeah, so a big shout out to Supergirl. So we're gonna start with this simple style. For this you're gonna need sectioning comb. I have this as my comb, but I can also use this for cleaner parts. And you're going to need your spray bottle if your hair is too dry. You will also need a hair moisturizer or hair butter. I'm using this hair butter by Kadima. This is my cocoa and mango butter. And then, so that to keep the frizz out of the way, I'm going to use the Wonder Cross Get Set Jelly. And of course for my scalp, I'll just use the Kadima hair oil. And to be able to section the back of my hair, I'm using my standing mirror right over here. You all have seen this so many times. So let's get started. So we section the hair from this section to this section. So this is my water spray. I can use that and just spray my scalp. And then, you know, because when I moisturize my scalp, I always like using water first and then add the oil, because that's really moisturizing my scalp better than just putting oil. Because if you just put oil on dry scalp, it's just gonna sit on it. So after doing this, you can use whatever you want to use. I'm gonna get my snappy and I'm going to section this back area. Just put that away like that. What you want to do is just take the comb and just section it diagonally. We're just cutting it. Let me cut it again. So I'm looking at my mirror to make sure that the parts are clean. So when you want to section hair, I think that's the one that bothers people a lot. With this style, you don't have to worry too much about the back of your hair. So that's why I only divided it halfway. So you just have to worry about getting the parts from the middle of your head cut across. So just as if you are drawing with a pencil. So you just come like that. So I'm grabbing another snappy. I'm sectioning this away. Details of all the products I'll be using will be in the description area for you all to see. So to style the hair, I'm going to start from this section. I'm cutting almost as if I want to do a triangle. So I'm taking my hand like this and I'm just sectioning it like that. Okay, doing another section. So starting like that, and try and keep your hand as straight and as straight as possible. That's how you can get a clean part. So once you've parted it, go through it again, put your hand and walk the opposite way. This is what helps me. And when I go the opposite way, make sure I can see what I'm doing. So I'm going the opposite way and I'm drawing the line across like that. I'm going to grab my hair butter. Okay. And this butter is also acts like a conditioner, so it's really good in moisturizing the hair. And I start from the ends of the hair like this and I walk it through like that. And then I grab my gel. I'm gonna put the gel at the base, and when you use a gel, this helps it so that it doesn't, you don't have a ton of flyaways. I put the gel at the end also, and I just run my hands through the middle. Now I'm gonna take my comb and use this to detangle it well. So taking the big part, just detangle it. So even if you have like a pin or something, or what I do sometimes is I get a bobby pin, so that to keep me from picking up hair from that side, I just put a bobby pin right over there. like right over there, so that I'm not picking up hair. So almost as if you're doing a flat twist, but you have 3. So you stay on one spot for just a little bit, and then you travel down. So if you get to a point where your hair feels like tangling like that, so just fluff it like this and then keep on going. This is a close-up of the hair, how it looks like. Very simple. So this is a simple style you can do. Another tip is, let's say that you finish sectioning your hair, you can take the rat tail comb and just put it, and that can be something that helps you so that you're not picking up hair from one section here over there. So I'm just going to spray this with water as usual. Put my oil. You can do this before you put the comb, and then you see I'm just going to put the comb right where the part is and just put it like this, so that when I'm ready to do the hair, I'm not picking up hair from that section. So I've pretty much finished this section. So you can see I've done this section like that. So all I'm going to do in this section over here is I'm just going to repeat the same thing. Okay, I wanted to show you how I do this part, so that because some people might be confused. So how I do this part is I just take my comb and I'm working from the top middle area over here. From this middle area over here, I'm looking at the mirror, and I try and draw the line so that it hits this section right over here. You guys will see how jagged my part is. So this is my part, and then I'm gonna try and clean it up some more. So I'm just working from the top and just drawing a line. I love using metal rat tail comb because they give very clean, they give a cleaner part. So when I get over here, I just wait, and I really take my time when I draw the part, because if your part is messed up, it looks really bad. Okay, so I've cornrowed all this top section. You can see it like this. I've cornrowed it. And the back section, you can decide what you want to do, whether you want to twist it or not. And yeah, so what I'm going to do with this back section is I'm going to, so this is the back section, to keep it a true protective style, I'm going to twist it and just do a lot of single twists, because I think I'm just gonna wear this for a week. So you can let it go, or you can even shingle it and do a wash and go. But this back section, I'm going to twist it, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks like. But so far, so good. Okay guys, I am done with my hair. This is how the front looks like, and this other side. I didn't lay edges or anything, and this is how my hair looks like. So the back, I'm just going to show you how I did the back. I was just grabbing and going. I just grabbed and I went as I could. So this style is my current tea hairstyle. So with this hairstyle, I can pretty much take it and put it in a puff, you know, put it up in a bun or something. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, of course, comment below. And thank you for watching. Feel free to share this video, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Watch this next on how to maintain hairstyles like this, and also don't forget to subscribe right over there. Thank you. Bye.